What's up guys, Isaiah here. It's Wednesday. I am with the PPF crew today and we're gonna show you what's going on here in the shop. Starting up with Aaron, we are doing some paint protection foam work on this beautiful ZL1 Camaro. It's a 1LE package. Got into a little bit of damage. It had PPF done by us prior, just getting that re-put on. And then here on the side, we have this beautiful CT5V getting paint protection film on the full front, as well as the door cup areas. In the process, already got it tinted by my tint crew, and then ceramics up next. But let's see what else is going on. Welcome back. We have Caleb here, hard at work on this fusion ceramic coating on this new 23 Tacoma. Already did the polish, he's applying the ceramic, it's looking great. We'll have it ready to go here very soon. So we have a little bit of a different project today, this week. This vehicle had multiple areas that got damaged, and the vehicle was already ceramic coated. So for the multiple areas that did get that damage, we're buffing the panels off and going to recoat those areas, starting from scratch essentially. Almost done. We'll have that ready to go here probably by Friday or so. Then look at this beauty. This is the first Z06, Z07 package that we had come in. Went all out. All the bells and whistles, carbon fiber pieces everywhere that he could possibly get those. Did a full wrapping coating on this. It's just here for a little bit of touch up, already complete, ready to go home with the customer. Here we have T hard at work doing front and visor on this big F350. He's just finishing things up with the visor side of everything. Looking great. We'll have the customer ready to go here very shortly. Let's go take a walk outside. It's a beautiful day. Let's go enjoy it. Alrighty guys, we are outside. It is a beautiful day. Sun's out, heat is here, but no humidity. I'm down for it. Up next, we have a Hellcat Challenger here for a paint correction. I'm gonna go ahead, get the swirls out and things like that are on top of the surface. Customer brought it to us. We'll have it out ready to go by Friday. So she's up next. And then for the last thing here in the back of the shop, we have this beautiful Duramax Diesel 1500 GMC. Just needed the fronts tinted. We actually got that taken care of this morning. She's good to go, waiting for the customer. But let's go see another cool thing we have out front. All right guys, we got two very cool projects here. We have this beautiful Mercedes SL. So a customer originally came to us asking us to change the color of his vehicle. It started off as like a teal color, but we really don't do any kind of vinyl work too much anymore. We've kind of stepped back from that. So we referred him to our friends over at Ross Wraps, and they took that teal vehicle and made it white. So from here, all the areas that you see that are white, we are going to stealth wrap that in our Expel Stealth, giving it that satin matte kind of look to it. That's also on the list for getting things done this week, and should be good here by Saturday. It doesn't feel like a normal work week without having a C8 Z06 in the shop. This act, huh? You already talked about it. Yeah, we got another one. Before I was interrupted, guys, by John Getty, what I was saying is, it doesn't feel like a work week here at Blackout without a C8 Z06. You know what? This is the second one we have here this week. We actually did a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap to this, as well as ceramic coating. The customer is going to be on his way to pick it up this afternoon. We're excited to get it back to him. At any rate though, that's all that we got going on for what's in the shop here in LATROBE. We're going to send it over to Luke in Miami. What do you got going on, buddy?
What's up guys, welcome to Miami. Let's take a look at what's going on here in the back of the shop. Back here we got Gabe doing his thing on this new TRX. This was in for a full stealth wrap months ago, and we had some damage occur on the lower door here. So luckily the PPF did its job and it saved the paint. So it's back in the day to have that piece replaced, and we're getting it looking good as new. Once that is done, we're going to be coating the entire outer body in our Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Here we have a 2022 Tesla Model Y. This is in for a full body Expel Ultimate Plus paint protection film wrap. In the back we have this M240i. This is a really unique paint color. It's a purplish, I'm not sure what they call it exactly from BMW, but really unique. This is in for a full front paint protection film package and the side windows, back window, and visor in our Prime XR 20% window tint. As always in Miami, we have a C8 Z06. This one is in for our track package, along with Expel Prime XR Plus tint on all the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield. Once that's done, we're going to top it off with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all from Miami. We'll see you guys back here next week.